Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have an amazing new DIY that you can remake for yourself. As always, it's simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'll be starting off with these skewers from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be cutting them in half. Once I've cut a few in half, I'm going to go in with some black craft paint, and I'm just going to use my finger painting method that I've showed you guys a couple times before. Once I'm done painting the skewers, I'm just going to set them aside to dry and begin to work on the lower portion of the project. And for that, I'm just going to be using 2 of these floor foams that I already have from a previous project, and I'm just going to be painting them with that same black paint. I'll be using this blue-black glitter as well as some Mod Podge. Once I'm done with this, I'm just going to set it aside to dry for about an hour. I'm going to be using these diamond vase fillers from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to lay out 2 of my skewers that we painted earlier, and inside of them I'm going to place 8 gems. Here I've laid out 4 panels, and I'm going to place 8 more of those gems in between each of them. Now I'm just going to begin to glue the 2 parts together, and I'm going to need to do this in sections. You'll see what I mean in just a little bit. I'm going to be using this wire to help reinforce my project, and I've recruited my husband to help me hold it into place while I do so. Next, I'll be going in with some iridescent bling ribbon that I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to be using this small fish bowl from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue it to the bottom of the project. And here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? So I do want to point out here that the bottom portion of the project is not glued down, and I did that so that I can change out the decor as I wanted to. So yeah, also I'm using fairy lights to light up the project, if anybody's wondering. So guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. A beautiful new DIY that you can recreate for yourself. If you've enjoyed this little video, please don't forget to subscribe, as well as hitting that notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.